Growing old should never mean giving up on independence, but one of the biggest struggles seniors face after 60 is the ability to climb stairs without fear, hesitation, or exhaustion. What once seemed effortless now feels like a painful mountain. Many older adults find themselves avoiding stairs altogether, relying on others, or even moving homes because they feel unsafe. But surgeons and health experts agree, simple daily exercises can rebuild strength, restore confidence, and make climbing stairs natural again. Remember this golden quote: "You don't stop moving because you grow old. You grow old because you stop moving." Here are the 5 surgeon-approved exercises that can help seniors climb stairs with ease and dignity. 1. Sit-to-stand exercise. Thy superscript A. The sit-to-stand exercise may seem simple, but it is a cornerstone of senior strength. Every time you rise from a chair, bed, or toilet, you are practicing the same motion needed for stair climbing. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteus muscles that power every step you take. To begin, choose a sturdy chair. Sit upright with feet flat on the floor and hands resting lightly on your thighs. Without using your arms, lean forward slightly and push through your heels to stand up. Then lower yourself back down slowly. Start with 5 repetitions, and gradually work your way up to 15 or more. This exercise teaches your body balance, builds leg strength, and reduces the risk of falls. Surgeons recommend it because it mimics real-life actions. Seniors who master the sit-to-stand exercise report greater ease not just on stairs, but also in daily life. Think of it this way: each time you stand without help, you are reclaiming independence. As one elderly patient once said, "Every time I stand up on my own, I feel like I'm standing up to life itself." For those who struggle, modifications are possible. Start with the cushion on the chair to reduce the distance, or use your hands lightly for support. Over time, as your muscles strengthen, you will find yourself rising with grace and confidence. The beauty of this exercise is in its simplicity. No equipment, no gym, just you and your determination. 2. Heel raises. Thy broken bar pilcrow. If the sit-to-stand strengthens your thighs, heel raises strengthen the calves, the engines that help push you upward step by step. Without strong calves, stairs become an impossible climb. But with consistent heel raises, seniors can improve balance, circulation, and lower leg strength. Stand near a wall or sturdy surface for balance. With feet hip-width apart, slowly lift your heels off the ground until you are standing on your toes. Hold the position for a few seconds. Then gently lower yourself back down. Repeat this motion 10 to 15 times. This exercise works wonders for blood flow in the legs, preventing swelling and cramps. Doctors often recommend it for seniors who suffer from poor circulation or neuropathy. Heel raises also strengthen the Achilles tendon and ankle joints, giving you the stability needed to ascend and descend stairs. For added benefit, practice single-leg heel raises, lifting one heel at a time. This challenges your balance and builds coordination. You may feel wobbly at first, but with practice, your confidence will grow. Imagine the freedom of walking upstairs without gripping the railing, without fear of tripping, and without feeling drained. Heel raises are like planting seeds of strength to small actions that grow into great results. As the old proverb says, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and heel raises are the steps toward freedom. 3. Step-ups. Negation I diaresis sedilla. If you want to conquer stairs, the best training is to practice the motion directly. Step-ups are perhaps the most effective stair preparation exercise approved by surgeons. They target the thighs, calves, and glutes while also improving heart health and stamina. Find a low, sturdy step or platform. Place your right foot on the step, push through your heel, and lift your body upward, bringing your left foot to meet the right. Step back down carefully and repeat. Perform 10 repetitions per leg. The beauty of this exercise lies in its practicality. It directly mirrors stair climbing. With regular practice, you strengthen the exact muscles needed to carry you up and down with ease. Beyond muscle strength, step-ups also train coordination and balance, two critical elements for seniors. If you struggle with higher steps, Start with a very low platform. Even a single book or block can work in the beginning. As your strength improves, gradually increase the height. Always use a wall or rail for support if needed. Step-ups are not just about physical health, they are also about mental confidence. Many seniors avoid stairs not only because of weakness but also due to fear. Practicing step-ups slowly, in a safe environment, removes that fear and replaces it with assurance. Imagine walking into your home, looking at the staircase, and feeling no dread, only confidence. That is the power of step-ups. 4. Wall push-ups. FY section plus minus. When climbing stairs, the legs do the lifting, but the arms often provide the balance and extra support. Many seniors rely on railings to steady themselves. That is why wall push-ups, though often overlooked, are surgeon-approved for stair safety. Stand facing a wall, place your palms flat at shoulder height, and step back slightly. Bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. This gentle exercise strengthens the chest, shoulders, and arms without putting stress on the joints. It improves upper body strength, which is essential if you need to hold the railing for balance or to pull yourself upward during stair climbing. Wall push-ups also improve posture, reducing back strain and helping you maintain an upright position when walking or climbing. Many seniors slouch without realizing it, which shifts their weight forward and increases the risk of falls. By practicing wall push-ups, you strengthen the upper body and maintain balance across your whole frame. This exercise carries another hidden gift. It builds confidence in your body's ability to protect itself. As one surgeon explained, strong arms and shoulders act like a safety net, always there to catch you if your legs falter. Over time, wall push-ups transform not only your strength but also your sense of safety. For elders, safety equals freedom. 5. Leg extensions. FY broken bar micro. The final surgeon-approved exercise for stair climbing is the leg extension. This targets the quadriceps, the large muscles at the front of the thigh, which bear the greatest burden when you lift yourself upward. Weak quadriceps are the #1 reason seniors struggle with stairs. To perform this exercise, sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight. Slowly lift one leg until it is fully extended. Hold for a few seconds, then lower it gently. Repeat 10 times per leg. Leg extensions build strength, reduce knee pain, and improve joint stability. They also increase endurance, making it easier to climb multiple flights without fatigue. For seniors with arthritis, this exercise is particularly beneficial, as it reduces stiffness and lubricates the knee joint. If you wish to challenge yourself, add light ankle weights or loop a resistance band around your ankles. But even without equipment, leg extensions provide significant benefits. Think of each repetition as a promise to yourself, a promise that you will not let age dictate your independence. As one elderly man once said, "Every time I extend my leg, I extend my life a little further toward freedom." Final words of life advice. Dear elders, climbing stairs may feel like a battle, but it is one you can win. These 5 exercises: sit to stand, heel raises, step-ups, wall push-ups, and leg extensions are not just movements. They are tools of strength, keys to independence, and shields of protection. Do them daily, and you will notice the change: less pain, more balance, greater energy, and renewed confidence. Your home will no longer feel like an obstacle but a place of comfort. Your legs will no longer feel like a burden but a gift. Never forget, strength grows in the moments when you think you can't go on, but you keep going anyway. By practicing these exercises, you are not just training your body, you are training your spirit. And the spirit of an elder is the strongest spirit of all.